Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 7 Lite. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter password and security, and go to lock screen password. Continue, and now select numeric. Use a different password type. And as you can see right here, we've got all possible lock screen passwords. First you've got 6-digit password, then 4-digit password, next 4 to 16-digit password, pattern and alphanumeric password. Let's start with this 6-digit password and let's use it to unlock the phone. Now let's select 4-digit password, next 4 to 16-digit password, and then let's go to alphanumeric. In the end, let's set pattern. Now we can go to face unlock, and thanks to this function we'll be able to unlock the phone using our face scan. Simply tap continue and scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And the last method to unlock the phone is fingerprint unlock. Simply scan your fingerprint on the sensor located at the bottom of the screen. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.